Sebastian, what do you think about all this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Dad, look at this mountain. This is taller than you.
It's taller. Oh, yeah, it's taller than you.
You.
Not quite.
He's out in the back.
Yeah, your car was totally buried.
I know. This girl thinks she's going to drive across the street. Across the street.
Hi.
Hello. Is this a cool snow? Nowhere. She just wants to drive in it.
It is. And look at my buddy snowman.
Love you.
Love you.
Don't throw What do you think, Elias? Don't kick off their snow. Do you understand? Look at the front. What do you think? Oh.
Jump off the stairs.
Oh gosh.